Alone we can do so little, together we can do so much. To achieve desired goals with less effort and more effective strategies, working together as a team is critical. But, what's equally important is good time management within the team. While it is a hard skill to master, good time management on a team level can significantly improve team dynamics and alleviate work stress. Follow these tips to make managing your team's productivity a reality. Number 1. Set short goals and prioritize tasks wisely. Divide the to-do list into smaller chunks, and order them based on their importance, urgency, and the effort needed to accomplish them. Number 2. Create a timeline and stick to it. Number 3. Delegate. Assign the right people to the right tasks. And finally, learn to say no. Knowing your team's productivity limits is important to know if your goals are feasible. It also helps to avoid work-related stress. Implement these simple tips to witness the change in your team yourself. No matter which option you choose, remember that you can successfully improve time management by collective action.